The time has come, and I'm definitely excited to talk to you today about how to use the Yoni egg. So, here you have today, I am Love, and I'm from Love and Peace Wellness Center. I am a Yoni Steam practitioner and a certified holistic fertility doula. And today, I just want to share with you about the Yoni egg. Okay, how to use the Yoni egg and how to clean it, and all of these little good things about the Yoni egg. So here we have a few that I selected from our collection of Yoni eggs that are known as the best Yoni eggs to use for the Yoni. And here they are. So I'm just going to go by size because we have two of the same size besides the last one, which is the smallest one. Now, here is a jade Yoni egg, and this jade Yoni egg is the large one. It's about 5 centimeters large, which makes it the large one. Okay, then we have here the other one that is about 4 centimeters, and this is the amethyst Yoni egg. And then here we have the clear quartz Yoni egg, and this one is about 1.5, 2 centimeters. Now, these are the large ones. These are the medium sized ones, and here's the small one. So you have beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Okay. Now, it's always been a question on how to utilize the Yoni egg. Which one is best for me? Oh, I think I'm this size. But no, if you've never used the Yoni egg before, you want to start with the large size, because the large size helps you to begin to utilize your vaginal muscles, your Kegel muscles, to help strength, tighten, and tone those muscles with first something larger rather than smaller. You could use this, but then your muscles may not be used to exercising with this small one, so we have to start first with the larger one, or we can go ahead and start with the medium one. So it's kind of a preference, but for recommendations, starting with the beginner size is always the best. All right. So you're probably like asking, well, which Yoni egg is for me? Which one is for me? Trying to figure out. And so you can choose or allow for it to choose you. You may be interested in the green one, or you may be interested in the reddish orange one. You might be interested in the clear one, or the black one, or like the tiger's eye, which is not right here. And then so you allow for your spirit to connect to the Yoni egg, and the Yoni egg will connect with you. If you want something intentional, you want to bring love into your life, or you're trying to work on relationships with love, your green Yoni egg and the rose quartz Yoni egg, and also the carnelian too, those will be really good ones to begin your journey. Now, as for how to build a relationship with your Yoni egg, I always tell my clients that you can't just, as soon as you get the Yoni egg, you're going to clean the Yoni egg and then use it right away. No, you want to build a connection with your Yoni egg. And how do you do that, right? Building a connection with your Yoni egg means hold it. Feel the energy, feel the connection between you and your Yoni egg. See how it makes you feel. You might even want to take it with you when you go to the store, or just walk around the house, or whatever it is that you want to do to connect with your Yoni egg before you insert the Yoni egg. Go to sleep with it, just connect with your Yoni egg, because sometimes you just get a connection with your Yoni egg, and it makes you feel a certain way. So you're looking to build that relationship, that you're looking to cultivate that relationship with your Yoni egg. Then, as for how to clean the Yoni egg, you will clean the Yoni egg by first, when you receive the Yoni egg, you build a relationship with it. You can clean the Yoni egg also. You first want to take some sage. Okay, some sage or Palo Santo to cleanse the Yoni egg. You can also cleanse the Yoni egg because it is a stone. You can cleanse it with selenite. And selenite is a white stone, which let me see if I don't have any right by me, but you can cleanse it also with putting it next to a selenite stone. You can also take the Yoni egg and use a mild soap after cleansing it with sage or Palo Santo, because sage or Palo Santo cleanses the energy from it. So of course it's in my possession, and I'm sending it off to you, or the person who you're buying it from, they're sending it off to you. So they do have to pick it up, put it in a package, and send it off to you. And then it's going in from the package to the mailer. And they have to send it out and you have to receive it. So you just want to make sure that you cleanse any of the negative energies, unclean energies, and just give it positive energy. Feed it that positive mindset and attitude towards whatever it is you're going to have your intention set for that, and help it be able to do what it do. So then you want to clean it by placing it in warm water. You don't want scalding hot water because you can crack your stones. You want to put it in some warm water with mild soap. My preference is black soap, or you can use Dr. Bronner's liquid soap, which I also like to use, either the peppermint, the almond, the regular Castile, whichever one you want to use, or rose, and you can clean it off, okay, to begin to clean it before you use it. Then you have the next step, which is inserting the Yoni egg. So you've built a relationship with your Yoni egg, you've cleansed it, and oh, one last thing. You're going to want to put it in the sun to let it charge up. So because these are Earth's precious stones, we know it came from the earth and it was built through time. So we want to place it into the sun to charge up. Now, when you get this from the sun, you will feel the heat inside. It's harnessed inside and it's charged up and it's like ready to go, so that once you set your intentions can be built like a large magnet field to attract that, or to dispel whatever it is that you're trying to get rid of, or just utilizing it to help make you stronger. You want to be able to do that the time before. People have asked me as well, could you put it in the moonlight? And you can definitely wait for a full moon to come, and you can place it in the full moon's light so it can charge up in the moonlight. You have the feminine energy, which is the moon, and then you have the masculine energy, which is also the sun. But for a really great charge up, because it feeds the stones and it feeds you, even your skin, your body, your mind, your spirit, you want to charge it up in the sun. Now it's time to utilize the Yoni egg. How must we utilize the Yoni egg? There's two ways you can utilize the Yoni egg when you insert it, okay? Some come with a drilled hole, and you probably can't really see this, but there's like a little hole right there. And so this little hole right here, you could put a string into this one and use it such as this way. Okay, so when you have the string, it'll be hanging down, and then you'll have it like this to use. Mainly the ones that I send out, they are not drilled. So you just use the Yoni egg, and when you insert the Yoni egg, you're going to insert it with the bigger side up and then the smaller side down. Okay, so the Yoni eggs will be inserted such as this way, not this way. Okay, see the difference? So you'll turn them upside down, basically, to insert it into the Yoni. as you insert it into the yoni, you're going to, or if you don't know what yoni is, it is the vagina. It is the woman's female reproductive area. Okay, so you're going to insert it into the vagina. Okay, we insert it inside. It's going to go into the vaginal canal. Okay, and look something like this on the inside. Now, it will not get lost, if that's what you're wondering, because there's no way that the yoni egg can get lost. Your cervix is the barrier between your vaginal canal and your uterus. So that muscle, that opening, is very small, in which a yoni egg cannot fit in there, even if it was the small one. So it's not going to get lost. It won't get stuck. But if you can't get it out, you'll feel like it's stuck. But then there's methods. That's the reason, hence the reason why you utilize a larger yoni egg and work your way down to the smaller size. Okay. So starting with the larger yoni egg, as it's inside, you use your muscles to squeeze. And then as you squeeze, and after you squeeze your yoni egg, it'll slide down a little bit. And then as you squeeze the Kegel muscles, it'll go back up. And then it'll keep doing that as you squeeze the Kegels, and it'll go up and down inside the vaginal canal. These are called Kegel workouts. So there you have. You can utilize the large one for beginners, the medium size for intermediate, a little more advanced, or the smaller one if you're more advanced. You can utilize it as a drilled yoni egg that has a hole in it, where you can actually, as you're doing the Kegel exercises, you can pull the string and it'll pull like up and down. As you squeeze the Kegel muscles, it'll tighten, it'll pull up, and then you just pull it down as you release the Kegel muscle, and then tighten the Kegel muscle again, and it'll go right back up again. So those are a few exercises for the drilled yoni egg, and then for the yoni egg that's not drilled. Now, I know you're wondering, right? How do you get the undrilled yoni egg out? Because with the drilled yoni egg, you could just pull it out with a string, right? Right. Now, with the yoni egg that's not drilled, how do you get it out? Well, it's simple. You just relax. You relax, and then you allow for your vaginal muscles and your uterus just to relax. And then as you push the muscle as if you're peeing, okay, it's going to slowly let the yoni egg fall out. Make sure you have your hand at the pelvic floor so that you can catch it, because you don't want it to fall and crack, or fall in the toilet, or fall in the shower, which it can. And there you have that. Now, another question that's been asked to me is, well, I forgot that my yoni egg was in and I had sex. Is that okay? Yes, it's okay. It is a part of tantric practices that when you have the yoni egg inside and your partner comes inside while the yoni egg is there, it increases the pleasure for both you and him, okay, for you and your partner. So it's okay. Again, if you need help with trying to slowly allow yourself to relax and pressing down on your uterus muscles, your uterine muscle that helps slowly ease the yoni egg out, please contact me. All right. So if you have any other questions about the yoni egg and how to use the yoni egg, feel free to call me. Don't hesitate to DM me, message me, contact Love and Peace Wellness, and I'll be able to be there to assist you. I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy your journey with the yoni egg, and I hope it brings you much pleasure, guidance, and abundance. All right, everybody, this is Love signing out. You all have a good night or a good day.